All right, in this tutorial, solving one-step inequalities, but using multiplication and division. So again, only one thing we have to do to get the variable by itself, and the order of operations you're going to deal with in this tutorial are only multiplication and division. So let's get right into it. K divided by 4 is greater than 2. So right now the K is being divided by the 4, which means the opposite is to multiply by 4. Okay, 4's divide to get 1K, or just K, is greater than 8. And on to the second one. Negative 4 times s is greater than 164, so the opposite is to divide by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. We're left with 1s. Now, when you multiply or divide by a negative number, the direction of your inequality symbol is actually going to change directions. Okay, just like if you think about multiplying or dividing by a negative number, like a positive times a negative gives you a negative, it changes the sign of the answer, the number that you get. It's the exact same thing right here when you're dealing with the inequality symbols. So multiplying or dividing by a negative number, you flip inequality sign. So if it's greater than, it just becomes less than. If it's greater than or equal to, it becomes less than or equal to. You keep the true state of the inequality symbol, it just changes what direction or which side it's being pointed. And then you divide these numbers just like you normally would. So 164 divided by negative 4 is going to be negative 41. All right, so that's really the only thing different you have to worry about when solving for these is only with a negative number, and it's only with multiply and divide. If you're adding or subtracting by a negative number, that does not change the direction of your inequality symbol. It's only when multiplying or dividing.